This is the real story of Oprah Winfrey. Today, she is one of the most famous women in the world. She is a TV host, actress, producer, and businesswoman. Millions of people know her name. But her life did not start with success. She was born in 1954 in Mississippi, USA. Her family was very poor. She lived with her grandmother in a small house. Life was not easy. There was not much money. Sometimes there was not enough food. But Oprah loved one thing: words. She loved reading. She read books every day. Books helped her escape her problems. At school, she was a good student. She spoke very well. Teachers saw something special in her. When she was a teenager, she started working at a local radio station. She was only 16 years old. People liked her voice. They liked the way she spoke. Later, she got a job at a local TV station. She was very young and very excited. This was her dream. But then something happened. Her boss told her something very painful. He said she was not fit for television. He said she was too emotional. He said she cared too much about the stories. Soon after that, she lost her job as a news anchor. Imagine that moment. Young, ambitious, and suddenly rejected. Many people would stop. Many people would believe those words. Maybe I am not good enough. Maybe they are right. But Oprah did not stop. Instead of giving up, she changed direction. She started working on a daytime talk show in Chicago. The show was called AM Chicago. At first, the show was not popular. Very few people watched it. But Oprah did something different. She did not act cold or serious. She listened. She cared. She asked real questions. She laughed with people. She cried with people. She was real, and people loved that. Slowly, the show became more popular. More people started watching. In less than 1 year, the show became #1 in Chicago. Soon, the show changed its name. It became The Oprah Winfrey Show. For 25 years, millions of people watched her show. She talked about family, health, love, problems, and dreams. She gave people hope. She also built a business. She started her own production company. She acted in movies. One famous movie was The Color Purple. Her performance was powerful. She received an Oscar nomination. She was no longer the woman who was not fit for TV. She was a global star. But success did not change her heart. She often speaks about her difficult childhood. She talks about pain and fear. She says these experiences made her stronger. Oprah believes in one important idea: your past does not control your future. Just because someone says no does not mean the end. Sometimes rejection is a redirection. If she stayed in that first news job, maybe she would never become who she is today. Being too emotional became her biggest strength. Her ability to care made her different, and being different made her successful. Today, Oprah is also known for her generosity. She gives money to schools and charities. She built a school for girls in South Africa. She wants to help young people have better opportunities. From a poor child in Mississippi to one of the most powerful women in media, that is a big journey. Her story teaches us something simple but strong. Do not let other people decide your value. When someone says you are not good enough, you have two choices. You can believe them, or you can believe in yourself. Oprah chose to believe in herself, and she changed her life. Maybe today you are learning English. Maybe it feels difficult. Maybe someone told you your English is not good. But remember this story. Every expert was once a beginner. Every successful person was once rejected. The question is not, will people doubt you? The question is, will you stop? Oprah did not stop, and because she did not stop, the world knows her name. Your story is not finished. Maybe your best chapter is still coming. Keep learning, keep trying, keep believing. Your future can be bigger than your fears. Thank you for watching. Like this video and subscribe to watch more inspiring stories and improve your English at the same time.